An espresso martini is a delightful cocktail that tantalizes the taste buds with its unique blend of flavors. The first sip reveals a rich, bold coffee flavor, thanks to the freshly brewed espresso. This invigorating essence is complemented by the smoothness of vodka, which adds a clean, crisp finish. The sweetness of coffee liqueur, often Kahlua, enhances the drink, balancing the bitterness of the espresso. This combination creates a harmonious flavor profile that is both energizing and indulgent. The cocktail is typically shaken with ice, resulting in a frothy top layer that adds a velvety texture, making each sip a luxurious experience. A hint of vanilla or chocolate can sometimes be detected, depending on the specific recipe or ingredients used. This subtle sweetness rounds out the drink, making it approachable even for those who may not typically enjoy coffee-flavored beverages. The overall experience is a delightful contrast between the robust coffee notes and the smooth, sweet undertones. The espresso martini is often garnished with a few coffee beans, adding an aromatic element that enhances the sensory experience. The visual appeal of the dark liquid against the frothy white head makes it a stunning addition to any cocktail menu. For those seeking a cocktail that combines the best of both worlds, coffee and spirits, the espresso martini delivers a sophisticated yet playful taste. It serves as a perfect after-dinner drink or a lively pick-me-up during a night out. With its unique flavor profile, the espresso martini continues to captivate cocktail enthusiasts around the world, making it a timeless classic in the realm of mixology. In summary, the espresso martini offers a delightful fusion of bold coffee, smooth vodka, and sweet liqueur, creating a truly unforgettable taste experience.